What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today specifically we're doing a live trading session. So it's 9:06. I already kind of have my bias set, or really just like my daily level set. What exactly do I see price doing? Well, we have, at least within the 4 hour and the hourly especially, been respecting bullish order flow at least since 6 p.m. Sunday. So since market opened yesterday, we did inverse this hourly and we did inverse this 4 hour. So what do I expect price to do necessarily? Well, we already swept London low, not by a lot, but we already swept it. We already swept London high, and it does seem like price just is continuing to push. So what do I think is going to happen? I think if market open comes and we don't crash, like how sometimes it does, I do see us pushing to previous day high. I think it's a great target considering we already swept most draws lower, whether that's London low, previous day low. And yeah, ES seems to be kind of like respecting that same bullish order flow. So that's basically it for me. If anything, I see price continuing to push towards previous day high, or um, pushing lower towards like Asia low. But then again, that's around 200 to 300 points away. Is it necessarily something I would want to take? No. I mean, I see that we've been respecting bullish order flow, so I would not be opposed to taking previous day high. It seems like the most obvious target to me. So that's basically it. I'm gonna pause the video until market open, and we'll see how prices like acting. All right, boys. Market open. Let's see what ends up happening. All right, boys. So market open a bit higher. We did inverse this 5 hour. My bad. This 5 minute gap. We just inversed it, so that can be a clear sign that we are going to continue. Um, Part of me wants to wait for ES to close above because I don't think it did. Or actually, I think it did. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we get a simple retrace. That's all I need. If I get a retrace, I think I'll be happy taking something towards previous day high. But if I don't get a retrace and an inverse, then hands off. Like a video I made, I think it should be posting after. It really just depends. But I did say that I want strong drawn liquidity, so previous day high. I want some sort of displacement or volume, and yeah, and I want clear structure. I think this is relatively clear to me. Bullish structure at least within the micro, and on the macro we did inverse this hourly and this 4 hour. So what's really stopping us from hitting previous day high? Not much, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so that's not necessarily good. Oh, never mind. I'm fried. I'm fried. Da-na-da-da. Okay, boys, let's see what happens. Do we get a brutal break even or what? Oh, oh, oh. Brutal break even. Yo, did you call
Yo,
me?
nigga, what's good?
That's good.
I'm running this shit chopping around heavily.
Yeah, I just took a break even.
The 1 minute inverse, I saw that shit.
Yeah.
Nigga, that's so unfortunate too.
Yeah, I got the LARP it for a second though.
Yeah, you're up.
Yeah.
I mean, bro, I was lucky fired because on ES you had the 5 minute. NQ's just shit right now, my nigga.
Bro, why you be fucking up my videos by saying that one word? I'm not gonna blur it out.
What video? What did I say, bro? Just fucking, bro. I don't care, bro. Tell your fucking little community they could cancel me, bro. That has.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna just have you in it.
I mean, I do not care, bro. Sure.
Alright, when JP Morgan comes in, tries to buy me out, they're gonna be like, oh, who's that one kid? And I'm gonna be like, oh shit.
JP Morgan came close to buying out anybody, brother.
Nah, they finna buy me out. Hedge fund. Santa hedge fund. Santa funds.
I don't understand why it's so shitty. Like, it should have been gone to the previously high cap.
Santa fund. What do you think about my company, Santa Funds? We only invest into indexes and Bitcoin. Brutal break even. Brutal break even. That sucks.
I thought you didn't edge break even and then what?
It edged it. It edged
Yeah,
it, and then it went, and then it broke even.
yeah. I thought that shit was gonna play out once it had to do it. Because usually when that happens, it's chill.
Dude, I have the worst canker sore. You know, like a cold sore, right?
Yeah, that shit sucks.
But it's a canker sore because cold sore is herpes. So canker
Yeah.
sore, it's just like the same thing, but it's not herpes.
Yeah, that does hurt.
Bro, it hurts like crazy. Like it's like a paper cut. Like it's small, but it just hurts. Bro, honestly, I think that was the move right there, and it just did not go through. I think like, I mean, then again, we still have like half an hour to see, but
Maybe it's just Monday that it's just
yeah, it's just like Monday price action.
Yeah.
Like I don't want to be that guy saying like, oh, don't trade Mondays, but
I mean, bro, just look at like the 1 minute and it just looks range city.
yeah.
Grind up.
I mean, not really range, but it's like a slow grind up, goes back
Yeah.
down, goes back up, like.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, boys. So it's 11:10. That'll be it for me. I was looking at the chart for a couple more minutes after that break even, but as you can see, we really just dumped and chopped around a bit. So looks like we're not going towards previous day high, at least for now during the AM. So I'm just gonna head out, go to the gym, and see what ends up happening. But personally, I'm just gonna sit it out. Price has been chopping, so it's not my problem. I don't want to risk it any more than I already have. I mitigated that trade pretty well, I'd say. Break even, so not too bad. Didn't lose, didn't win. It's okay though. But yeah, so that'll be it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you are interested, join the server that I posted, like a link. It's like a little community that I'm trying to build myself, trying to build my personal brand. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. If anything, the day after that. But that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.